Java. Comms Guide for Sys Admins and Enterprises. Java is a programming language that has become a staple in the world of technology. Known for its reliability, security, and versatility, Java is widely used in various industries ranging from finance to healthcare. Java.com. Java.com is the official website for Java, providing resources, downloads, updates, and documentation for users. It serves as a hub for all things Java-related, catering to both individual users and system administrators in large enterprises. System administrators. System administrators play a crucial role in managing IT infrastructure organizations. They are responsible for ensuring that systems are running smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Java plays a significant role in the daily operations of system administrators, making it essential for them to stay updated with the latest developments. Enterprise solutions. Enterprise solutions refer to software and services designed to meet the complex needs of large organizations. Java offers a range of enterprise solutions that cater to the unique requirements of businesses, including robust security features, high performance, and scalability. Java SE. Java SE, or Java Standard Edition, is the core Java platform that serves as the foundation for Java development. It includes the Java Development Kit, JDK, and essential libraries and APIs for developing Java applications. Java EE. Java EE, short for Java Platform, Enterprise Edition, is a collection of APIs and technologies that support the development of enterprise applications. Java licensing. Licensing agreements govern the use of Java software in commercial, educational, and open-source projects. Conclusion. In conclusion, Java plays a vital role in the daily operations of system administrators and enterprises, offering a wide range of solutions, tools, and technologies. By staying informed about Java updates, security practices, deployment strategies, and best practices, system administrators can ensure the smooth operation of Java applications and support the success of their organizations.